Hi students, welcome to third standard science class video session, lesson 10, houses we live in. In today's session, we are going to learn about helpers in construction of a building. Let us go into the session. In this session, we are going to learn lesson 10, houses we live in. Topic, helpers in construction of a building. Children, let us learn new word from this lesson. Damage, to harm or spoil something. Feet, a unit for measuring length. Dome shape, shape with the round top. Repair, mend or make good again. Stale, not fresh. Drain, a pipe that throws out the wastewater from the house. Children, let us make a model of a hut. Material required for this activity: soft cardboard or pastel sheet or chart paper of 3 by 5 inches, half coconut shell or a cone made from chart paper for the roof, dry grass, Fevicol or glue, and H pens. Children, you are able to make a model of a hut by following 6 steps. Step 1. Cut the shape of the door in the center of the chart paper. Step 2. Use the sketch pens to decorate the hut. Step 3. Roll the chart paper from both its ends into a cylindrical shape and join them using Fevicol or glue to make the base of the hut. Take the half coconut shell or chart paper cone and paste some dry grass on the outer surface of the shell or cone. Step 5. Now place the coconut shell on the cylindrical shaped hut to make the roof. Step 6. Your hut is ready. Now let us learn who are the helpers in construction of a building. First, let us learn about an architect. There are many people who help us to build a house. First of all, a house must be properly planned and designed. This is the work of an architect. Architect or licensed professional trained in that art and science of building design who develop the concepts for structure and turn those concepts into images and plans. Architect create the overall look of building and other structures. An architect examine the place or area where a house is to be built. He asks the owner of the house about the kind of house he needs. He measures the plot and after some calculation make a design of a house on paper. This is called a plan. Next, let us learn about mason. Mason is a person who builds the house. He uses the sketch made by the architect and lays bricks, stones and tiles accordingly. He uses the tools such as grader, trowel, hammer drill, etc. to do his work. A mason's most important tools are her trowels. Trowels usually have triangular shaped heads attached to wooden or plastic heads. Mason use trowel to pick up mortar and spread it on bricks. Now let us learn about the carpenter. Carpenter is a person who make a furniture, doors, windows and cupboards for our house. Carpenters construct, repair and install building framework and structure made from wood and other materials. So, a carpenter might be an expert in making furniture, construction, and other related work. He is an electrician. Electrician install, maintain, and repair electrical power, communication, lighting, and control system in homes, business area, and factories. He uses the tools like wire stripper, tester, plier, and fish strip to further electrical construction. He is a plumber. A plumber is a trade person who specializes in installing and maintaining systems used for drinking water, sewage, and drainage in plumbing systems. Plumber uses the tools like spanner and wrench. Now let us learn about the painter. A house painter and decorator is a tradesman responsible for the painting and decorating of buildings, and is all known as a decorator or a house painter. The purpose of painting is to improve the appearance of a building and to protect it from damage by water, corrosion, and insects. I hope you got clear information about helpers in construction of a building. Thank you, students. Have a nice day.